Hey crew, what's up? It's Tony Indenoro, and I am here to tell you about what Dana and I would like you to do for your community connection. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh my gosh, I have to make a movie, right? Well, here's the thing. You're the director. That's right. That means you need to develop a script that provides perspective for your classmates about the poverty that exists in your community and how that relates to Challenge 2050. Now you can make this video on your phone like I'm doing right now, your iPad or your video camera, or some crazy contraption that maybe even one of your friends might have. Then, all you're gonna do is dump it into iMovie, or maybe even Windows Movie Maker, and make it flow really nice. We have every confidence in your ability to make this awesome. Now, I'm sure what you're really thinking about is, what about the specifics relating to the content? Like, what community? Well, that's your call. Communities can be all kinds of different things. And how long should this video be? Well, that's your call. Or maybe, what should I do? Well, that's your call. You get the picture, don't you? Seriously, your charge is to provide a synthesis of the perspectives that you've collected in an effort to understand poverty in your community, presented in a way to develop perspective for your classmates. Questions? Of course not. You got this. Why no questions? Because you embrace the ambiguity of the assignment and engage your creative process. And guess what? And here's the big secret, crew. Thinking like this makes addressing Challenge 2050 possible. Not thinking like this? Well, let's just say I'm not too excited about my kids' future. So that's my video. Hopefully you guys appreciated this, and I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. So take care. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, everybody, good luck on your assignment.